got a large scope, I'll use it. Where are we here? Don't crank that thing way up too high.
Oh, don't go that way.
They always go that way. Alrighty. You ready?
Yeah.
Go
Down
down.
goes Fraser.
Go down. There he goes.
Oh boy.
Never apologize for your God-given right to hunt.